Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Beurer Barber's Corner Precision Trimmer. This is a precision trimmer from Beurer. This is used to trim hair on the nose, on the ear, and also the eyebrows. This is not for trimming your hair or your beard, and you will see why, because the trimmer section of it, as is given in this image over here, is very thin and primarily aimed at this is basically a detailed trimmer that you use to trim your eyebrows or your ear hair, stuff like that. There's some information over here. This particular trimmer comes with IPX4 splash proof resistance and has a 3 to 6 millimeter comb attachment. Alright, as I was saying earlier, there's the same thing as mentioned over here for trimming and shaping eyebrow, nose and ear hairs, and perfectly angled for easy use. Splash proof IPX4 as mentioned earlier, battery operated. It includes protective cap, storage bag, cleaning brush and one AA battery. This device also comes with 3 years of guarantee. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. We have some documents first. This is the product information brochure from Beurer. There you can see there's the product information brochure. What are the other products that you can find from Beurer? And I'm going to keep this over here. Next we have international service. This is basically all the contact information of different Beurer offices. And this is the user manual for the HR 2000 precision trimmer. Anything that you need to know about this particular trimmer you will find in this particular booklet. I'll leave this over here as well. There is a cloth carrying pouch that comes with this particular box. There you can see there's a carrying pouch. It's a nice addition. This will just help you to carry this particular trimmer around along with all its attachments and even the battery. So you just put all the things inside this bag and carry it around. It's very convenient. It's a great addition. Now let's take a look at the other things that you will find inside this particular box. This is the cleaning brush. This is what you use to clean the motor that runs this particular trimmer. This is the comb attachment for the precision trimmer. So this is a precision trimmer. This is the cap over here. I remove the cap. So this is a precision trimmer and the comb attachment goes in like this. And then you can change it to your own preferences. I'll put the cap back on. And this is the AA battery that you use to power this particular trimmer. So let's just do that. I'm going to insert the battery inside the trimmer. So all you have to do in order to do that is to make sure that these two markers meet each other. So I twist and pull and there you go. It's out. I'm going to put the battery in like so. And then to close it, once again, same idea applies. Just match the marks and twist the other side. Now it should be working now there. And before I turn it on, I just want to show you that this is what the trimmer looks like. It's a very small and compact trimmer. Once again, this is a precision trimmer. There's a cap. There's a protective cap for the head over here. You can remove it like so, and you can see the precision trimmer right over here. There you go. This is the precision trimmer over here. It has a very sleek form factor. It also has this matte black finish to it. Notice this large chrome power on off switch over here. So I'm going to switch it on. There you can hear it. This is what it sounds like. It's working perfectly. And there are some extra sign over here. So basically you can take this particular head off. I will attempt to do that. I'll see if that works. Oh, you can just have to turn this way and pull. You can take it off. Now you can clean this particular motor. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Beurer HR 2000 precision trimmer. Thank you for watching.